muti te pātoto. O nore korore mau ngā rongo ki runga I te whenua whakaarupai ki ngā tāngata katoa ki a ki a mene.
I always thought that this format would be the format that everyone would charge to listen to. When hakas is in your blood, that's all you want to hear a lot of the time. And you want to hear it everywhere. You want to hear it on the YouTube, you want to hear it on the radio, you want to hear it on the Spotify playlists, you want to hear it on Apple downloads. And also, an awesome opportunity for us to relive magic moments of Te Matatini in a recorded setting, in a haka setting.
Hi everybody, morena kia tātou. Just introducing Matua Mike. This is Matua Mike. Over to you, Mike.
Welcome. It's so good to have you at Massey, and a really important thing for us all to have on the campus, and we fully want to see you have a great time here and support everything that you're doing.
Tēnei kaupapa, koira ke te whakatinanatanga o te rāhuatanga. 50 years, 5 koutou. Haere tonu tēnei kaupapa. E kore ia e moe. Mo te āpōpō, ka tino wai maria rātou I mahi ngia e mātou tēnei kaupapa. Mō rātou. Te whakarauora I etahi waiata, tēnō waiata. Hikama, kei te ako tonu au I etahi o nei waiata.
To really kind of meld the sound, I'm not going to put all the highs or the sopranos in one place and the altos. That's far too colonial. We're going to mix it up and make you that one big group. And so I have got an arrangement of which mics each person goes on. So we might do that in a second. I think we're probably up to that stage. And if it's a problem, if you need to be standing right next to someone, that's fine. We can change it around so that happens. Just let me know or Rob know. Yeah. Ka pai. Hey.
The particular song that I'm looking forward to sing is Rongomai. And the reason for that was because that song came out in 1986, which was my first festival. I was 14 when I took that stage in Christchurch. And I remember that poi because I was like, just in terms of the sound, amazing. In terms of the kaupapa though, it was like, but just the beauty of that and to be able to have this opportunity to sing that song in this forum, it's amazing. And I love the melodies in there.
First up will be Rongomai. We'll just have a jam in here, just so we just get used to things.
Iau e tamariki ana, iau e pake ke mai ana, I roto te ao haka, koini te te o ngā tino waiata. Ka rāngo nā I te takiwā. I runga I ngā reo I rirangi Māori, ka rāngo nā te waiata ni. Nō muri mai au ahau, ka mātakitaki I runga riupene Te Whare Wānanga o Waikato e mahi ana hei poi mā rātou. But such an honour to be able to sing this song, a Hirini Melbourne song, and to celebrate his greatness as a composer, not just in the recorded music space, but also in the kapahaka space. And this waiata, fantastic selection by our Waikato whānau to represent them in the lineup.
When we go in to do the takes, about that much away from the mic. Sweet. So you can use all the space that's around you, but say about that much away from the mic. Gee, this is a bloody deadly kapahaka group anyway, look at it.
He mea miharo ki te atu i wā rātou mātua, whaia kēkē, matua kēkē, kuia, kraua, kai roto i tēnei kapa. Me te waiata iwa i wēnei momo waiata, nā rau o iwi.
It's pretty cool coming together, you know, we're all from different teams, we're all from different rohe, and coming together and just the blend was massive. You know, we've never sung with all these other kaiaka before. And to feel that blend and hear that blend was mean, and I felt like that Rongomai is one of those songs that definitely hits the spot all the time.
Can you all still hear me? Yeah. Hapai. Just some notes. Don't be scared of your note. Hey, embrace it and rock the whole line out. And think of your note before you sing it. Lots to think about, but you're all good. You're rocking that out. It's beautiful. Feeling good. Feeling great. Ready? Shall we go for another run?
It's inspiring. A lot of the people here and who got chosen to be on this kaupapa I've looked up to, you know, over the, past 10 years. The likes of Rob, I've been privileged to be able to do a couple of projects with Rob. So again, to have this opportunity is, man, out of this world, bro,